Captain?
Human tree!
Captain Planet, stop right now!
My heart. It hurts.
Stop, Captain, please.
Stop!
Holy Gaia, that's enough. Stop. Holy.
Everybody's a tree. I knew I'd do it.
I can't let you do that, Captain.
Anybody else want to go green?
Huh?
Yeah, that's what I thought. Punk asses. I'm going back up. Don't summon me again unless you're ready for that pain. Peace, dickholes.
The power is mine, bitches.